Today we will talk about tempo mapping or time warp. It is basically taking our timeline, our grid, and matching it to an existing audio file. For the purpose of demonstration, we will use Teresa Damon's Love Song, a song composed by Nurit Hirsch from the 70s Singer and Chorus Festival performed by Ilanit. Let's hear it out for a moment. A familiar song. Now let's see what we do to match our click to this song. The first thing we'll do is exit snap and take scissors, cut a little off the beginning that we don't need. Delete, go back. To snap and move it to the beginning. Now let's get our downbeat. We see that our downbeat is here and we actually want it to come to bar 2. So instead of bringing it to bar 2, we will bring bar 2 to it. We'll switch here to this tool called Time Warp or Warp Grid, and with Alt and Alt, we'll jump to the nearest transient, actually to the downbeat. Let's see if this is the place. This is definitely the place. And now, because we're on Grid Events in Cursor, if I push bar 2 here, it will just magnetize here. Let's hear if it's really the downbeat. We will drop our click. Identifying the next beat after the downbeat. Here the next time I can use Alt and N to skip until we get here, and we actually need to bring bar 3 here. Let's hear the click from here to here. Precise, and I will do it quickly, say until the end of the opening. I recognize the downbeat here. I place the cursor here and press Alt N, and here is the downbeat. I bring bar 4, continue. It helped. Here's the next downbeat, Alt N and
stretches bar.
5 all the way here. Again detects the next downbeat, Alt N, and extends the 6th bar. Let's help a moment from the beginning with a click. And I continue. The next downbeat is in this area. Alt N stretches bar 7, continues to enter. Here's the downbeat, positioning the cursor, and Alt N stretching bar 8 and a bit more. Alt N to detect the downbeat, places bar 9, and bar 10 is placed exactly where the song begins.
Windows,
which is here. So again, click and Alt N, and there's the whole intro mapped out. Let's look at the tempo we actually got. Currency 2 to 3, 107, 3 to 4, 107 is consistent, but something is already changing here. 111, 111, 105, 111. I mean, we have something inconsistent, but it's in the area of 108, 110. Let's check again to ensure everything is correct. Great, now we can close the time warp, and in fact any tool now that I choose to add to my design for that matter, we will take some kind of drum machine. Everything that we actually record with MIDI will fit according to the click, so just if I randomly choose any bar, we will prepare some kind of region. Double click to enter media editor. Do one kick. We will add kick on the 1st and the 3rd. Snare or clap on the 2nd and 4th. We will also add hi-hat. We will duplicate it and hear what happens. You can even make it a little more interesting. Let's hear what happens. And I can just stretch it and kind of duplicate it like that. Let's hear what we have in the intro. And basically our timeline of grid is now suitable for playback. And we made it by using time warp. Please note that we did not change the audio, we did not station the audio. But we prepared our grid, our timeline to suit the music.